Hi there. Are you looking for investment properties and want to understand what the down payment requirements are? Well, I'm here with Kristine Bestler from Guaranteed Rate. She's an expert and she can help us answer those questions. Hi, Kristine. How are you?
Hi, Deb. I love this question so much. And I'll tell you, when people talk about investment properties, let's be clear that we're talking about you're not going to live there.
Right.
You're looking to become a landlord. So, what should you plan for? Well, number one, there's a lot of factors in that, right? It could be anywhere from 20% to 30% that you're going to need for down payment. And it might be more. It really depends. Are you buying a single family investment property? That's about 20% down. But if you're buying a four flat, that could be 30% down. So the key here is really having a lender that's going to sit there, listen to you, and hear everything and organize the right program for you so that everything goes smoothly. There's a lot of factors to every single investor that we look at, from credit score to landlord history, to, again, what type of home are you looking to buy as investment property? Does that make
Yeah.
sense, Deb?
Yes. And so the landlord history, that's a big factor. I
It
would think.
is. Some lenders won't even touch you unless you've had history. So you got to start somewhere, right? So knowing all of those caveats is very important, and having this good teamwork that we have going, I think, is helpful too.
I think having a great lender like you is important. So anyway, anyone who's interested, please let us know. Send us a request and we'd be happy to set you up with a free consultation and give you more advice as to what it takes in order to have an investment property.
Get that plan.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Kristine, for your time.
Thank you.